G'day folks, you're back here with your boy Southern, and we're taking a look at the Nintendo Switch 2 that was announced this morning with the release date and the price. Whoa, some people are going to be falling out of bed. Not myself, but definitely a few people. Let's take a look anyway what's available. You got the base version of the Nintendo Switch 2, or you got the bundled version with Mario Kart World. You can also purchase a Nintendo Switch 2 camera and the Pro Controller. A charging grip and various other things. Now, the console does come with 256 gig on board. So we don't know how big these games are going to be. Don't forget, we're going into the next generation here with the Nintendo Switch. So some things could be rather large. But it's good. You can't use your micro SD cards on the Switch 2, I believe. You're going to have to get this other type. But a couple of games here. Mario Kart World, as I mentioned, that was in the bundle. Donkey Kong Bonanza. Now with the previous Zelda games that came out on the previous generation, they're going to be enhanced. Now unfortunately, if you already own them, you may, and you will be paying a little bit extra to get the enhanced versions. But you can buy the enhanced versions straight out if you don't own the previous ones. So that's good. Couple other things, Street Fighter 6, Amiibo stuff. It doesn't really, tickle my fancy. Let's take a look at this bundle. It includes the Nintendo Switch 2. Also includes the Mario Kart World. Doesn't really give you... Oh, read more. Bigger screen. We have a 7.9-inch screen for the Nintendo Switch 2. Now that's pretty good. That's really cool. Brings games to life with a larger 1080p screen, or connect to a TV and play in up to 4K with HDR. You got VRR and frame rates up to 120 frames per second. Now, I believe that 120 frames per second is on 1080p, not on 4K. It does look pretty decent. I know the price is a bit scary for individuals. But, hey, it is what it is. It's 2025. Consoles and that, even the cost of the games are going through the roof, well over $100 these days. There you go. Internal storage is 256 capacity with faster speeds. 8 times the capacity of the Nintendo Switch. Yeah, well, don't forget, we got bigger games. Probably even out across the board with the size. But it's good to see that they're taking that step to increase the internal storage. In addition, Nintendo Switch 2 Edition games, select Nintendo Switch games may also take advantage of the system's new capabilities to bring benefits like improved graphics and faster loading times. That's going to cost you extra money. They're not mentioning it here, but it is. So it does look promising. So look, $869.95 New Zealand dollars for the Nintendo Switch 2 plus Mario Kart World console bundle. June the 5th. Get in there, pre-order, and get switching, folks. This was Southern. Have a great day.